Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love being able to display all my beautiful memories and my beautiful family. That's why I really appreciated this 17 by 23 inch Cork bulletin board by U Brands. What I really appreciated about this is the size. I like that it covers a good amount, that you can actually pin a lot of stuff on it. It has plenty of room for notes, for cards, for photos. I really just like the freedom to put things where I would like, to then easily change it up if I want to, if I'm feeling in a different mood. I just really loved how aesthetically pleasing it is. I think this is a great thing to have, whether you want it in your office and you just want to put notes or memos, business cards, whatever, or you want to use it like I do in my room and I just like pinning up beautiful memories. This is perfect. It can go with any decor in any room, and that's my point of view.